Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly mute your audio and be silent.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we begin these grand finals of the Star of Pangasinan Search Online, let us have a moment to pray. Brothers and sisters, let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, thank you for this appointed day and time. Indeed, this is a great moment to exalt your name for your greatness, your grace, and your mercy that this important event shall come to pass. Lord, watch over the grand finalists today, that they may give their best with great confidence and courage. Make them gracious of their talent that first came from you, and that they remain humble in their winnings, and that even after this show, make them brave and confident to use their talent, their voice to bless people. We pray for the panel of judges. Fill their hearts with the spirit of fair judgment and discernment over the great role this day. Bless them with a great joy as they play a big part of shaping the future of all those contestants, including those who audition up to the last three finalists. For the organizer, the producer, Mr. Apollo Bogarin Aguilan, whom you entrusted this idea, and you have provided him with the talent and gift of these young people will be that this the gift of these young people will be showcased, exposed, and be known for good. And for all the guests, supporters, and audience, bless their contribution and effort that it may be multiplied back to them. Father God, where everyone's gives, contribution, and support today shall be honored and celebrated, we acknowledge that apart from you, we are nothing. Therefore, we ask you to cover this whole event with peace, safety, and everyone under your protective care. We declare Psalm 91 for everyone here present. We ask this in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ, our Savior. Amen.
Thank you, Edita, for that meaningful prayer to grace this big event. And speaking of big event, are you all excited? We are all excited. Before we begin, I would like to take this opportunity to say my thoughts. This pandemic changed a lot of people's lives, employment, school, travel, and even behaviors of people. To most people, it is no hope. It is depressing. It is so sad. But let not this pandemic forbid us to do good to people. This pandemic should not hinder us to rise up. Filipinos are known to be madiskarte, resourceful, creative. So exactly this happening. We can have this talent search to give fun and boost the moral and confidence of people who have yet to discover their talents. People who still need exposure before taking bigger chances in the future. It can also give inspiration and entertainment to viewers. So come on, let's all enjoy this event and be thankful we are healthy and alive amidst this pandemic. Another thing I would like to say is thank you, all the people, group of people who in one way or another have given their part to make this event reality. I alone, I cannot do this. So I give a special thanks to all my viewers, friends, especially Sister Ethel, Rudini, Atilinda, and others. All the grand finalists and their families, especially to their parents who have been giving them moral support and inspiration to go on and join this contest. Include those who joined since the start of audition. To the screening process, you guys are all amazing, and kudos to your families and supporters, including your neighbors who were kind enough to let their Wi-Fi to be used for free for Zoom appearances. Please, small things matter too. So thank you, mga kapitbahay. God bless your kindness and generosity to our guest performers on this event. Sarah, Banjos, Biggie, Miggy, and Sigi. They will be performing in a while, and I'm so honored you have responded willingly to my requests, despite the short notice given. The audience are all excited to watch your performance too. To my regular viewers who have been my moral support and inspiration since I started uploading videos, set aside bashing and unhealthy comments, I thank you for your time opening to my YouTube channel. I am sure you have enjoyed watching. To our distinguished guests and judges, Hudson, Mary Jane, may I request you to wave your hands to be known, your champion, the screening of contestants. I know it was not easy, but I salute your dedication in your work. I know sometimes it is out of your comfort zone giving comments, suggestions, and advices to our contestants. Surely, win or lose, they all carried a lot of wisdom from you all. I may be working with you guys again in the future. To our audiences in the Philippines, you are the channel show Pangasinan Got 12 talent to be proud of. To all our audiences around the globe, iba ang taray natin, we have viewers from Singapore, US, UK, Canada, and Europe. So this is real. The pandemic cannot stop us to be one heart for this purpose. Mabuhay Pangasinan. The Star of Pangasinan Online 2020, Mabuhay Pilipino. Okay, to all, before I start totally the show, to my co-judges, viewers, and of course to all the contestants, welcome to the Search for the Star of Pangasinan 2020 Grand Finals. I hope that all contestants are ready and well prepared to share their final round. And when we say prepared, it means that all of us have stable Wi-Fi connections, well-dressed, and confident to compete with other contestants. So good luck, everyone. I am
request
judges
can see you.
and the founder of this online singing contest to help our fellow Pangasinense. Our second judge was the grand champion in one of the prestigious singing contests in Saudi Arabia and a former band vocalist. Everyone, let's welcome Miss Mary Jane Ararakap.
Hello. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. To all our viewers, to all our guests, to all the contestants, good luck. And hopefully, malinis ang ating Wi-Fi. And win or lose, lahat tayo winner dito sa contest na ito. And lahat ng nakapasok na finalist, you deserve to be the finalist. So good luck and God bless to everyone. Thank you.
Our third judge is a former music teacher for 12 years, a part-time vocal coach, a former band vocalist here and abroad, and a former choir member for more than a decade. Let us welcome Mr. Hudson Badoria.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Sir Apollo, I'm Jane. Good afternoon to the viewers and of course to our contestants. Good luck sa Grand Finals. So, ididiretso ko na yung mechanics natin for today. So, there will be 3 contestants who will be competing for today's Grand Finals. The three contestants will sing 2 songs, one chosen by the event host, and one is their chosen song. Each grand finalist will be given a commentary. When all contestants have performed, scores will be calculated, and the one who will rise on top will be announced the champion. So, MJ, please take it away for the criteria for judging.
Okay, so for the criteria for judging, we have the voice quality, 30%, showmanship, 30%, sound quality, 30%, lastly, the song of choice, 10%, so overall of 100%. Back to you, Apollo.
Thank you, Hudson and Mary Jane. I hope that all contestants paid attention to the mechanics and criteria for judging. So, I have some reminders. Kindly mute your mic when someone is performing, as well as our viewers, to avoid picking up unnecessary noises. And lastly, the judges' decisions are final. Okay, let's start the ball rolling. Let's start the show. Okay, to open up the show, she's the grand champion of American Filipino Got Talent in 2011 and a Karaoke Fest two-time champion in Los Angeles, California, USA. Please welcome Miss Sarah Mislang.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Mislang. I'd like to thank Tito Polo for inviting me today and letting me sing. So thank you very much for having me. I'll be singing one song, and it's called Isang Lahi. So. Kung ang tinig mo'y di naririnig, ano nga bang halaga ng buhay sa daigdig? Darating ba ang isang ngayon at magbabago ang panahon? Kung ang bawat pagdating ay laging pagulong, aamhin ko pa dito sa mundo kung mga matang nakikita'y di totoo. May ngiping luhang likuran at paglayang tanong ay kailan, bakit di natin sabukan pagmamahal? Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay, mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawin mong kulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating libing, bakit di pagmamahal ang ialay mo? Panguna magtunay ang siyang nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kamay ng Diyan sa palad mo. Ang gabi ay mayroong wakas, pagkatapos ng dilim ay maliwanag. Araw ay agad nasisikat, iilawan ang ating landas, lumagak sa bawat nating pangarap. Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay, mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing magkulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating libing, bakit di pagmamahal ang ialay mo? Panguna ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad pa. Sundan ba ng tanaw ang buhay? Mundo ay puno ng saya, gawing makulay. Isa lang ang ating langit, isa lang ang ating libre. Bakit di mawala ang alay mo? Panguna bang tunay ang siyang nais ko? Ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad pa.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much. Sarah, do you have any shows to promote, your YouTube channel, whatever? All Pangasinan and all people all over the world are watching you right now.
Well, you can find me on Instagram. My name is Sarah, no H, .mislang, MISLANG. I'm also on YouTube. I have some old videos on there, but I'm hoping to get some more new videos. So yeah, you can find me on Instagram and YouTube.
Well, okay, so Sarah, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, so we're going to start for our grand finals show. So the contestant will present 2 songs. First is an old songs, and the second song is their own choice. So I would like to call on contestant number 1, Miss Larnie Cayabyab, 24 years old, from Bayangbang, Pangasinan.
And we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Listen to the song, like a good child in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost a minute sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Oh, baby, keep on turning. Crown Mary, keep on burning. And we're rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. You did a lot of things in Memphis. I've come to attend down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of the city till I hit you right on a river from Creek. Oh, baby, keep on turning. Round there we keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Say we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, the river. Come. That's a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost a minute of sleep and worried about the way things might have been. Oh, big wheel, keep on turning, brown Mary, keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. many things. I come to learn to take down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of the city till I had to ride on a riverboat creek. People will keep on turning, rolling, Larry, keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Come down to the river, I bet you're gonna find some people to lend. You don't have to worry if you got no money. People on the river are happy to get. We gonna keep on turning, Mary, keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, and we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
Thank you, Larnie.
Thank you, Bob.
Okay, our next grand finalist is from Binalonan, Pangasinan. He is 24 years old. Mr. Daniel Binluan Jr.
I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figure it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was a fool, playing by the rule. The gods may throw dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? But tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name somewhere deep inside? You must know I miss you, but what more can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide. The likes of me abide. Spectators of the show, always staying low. The game is on again, a lover or a friend, a big thing or a are small, the winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad. I don't understand. You've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. Seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small beside the victory. That is my belief. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall beside the victory. That is my belief. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. Thank you po.
Thank you. Okay, our okay. Okay, so our
Ouch, ouch. Aray, ang sakit. Kanina yung static yung mic. Sakit sa tenga.
Check.
oh,
Hello?
okay, so okay, our next contestant.
Ah, Renz, Renz, yung
Ako
mic
po ba?
mo yata.
Ah,
Ang
wait.
lakas ng static.
Sa akin po? Okay, wait lang po. Hello? Okay na po?
Oh, nandun pa din. Mas malakas pa yung static kesa sa'yo.
Okay na po? Hello?
Still there. It's still there. It's very noisy. Sorry.
Let's see kayo.
Man-mute ka pa. Man-mute ka pa.
Hello? Sige po, wait. Hello?
Okay, okay, Renz.
Meron?
Renz.
Ay, sir. Hello po.
Okay.
Meron pa rin po?
Yeah, may technical problem natin sa sound, so I think
Check. Hey. Hello, mic test.
okay, okay, Renz. You can start. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our third contestant, Benz Robota, 28 years old, from San Carlos City.
Check. Hello, check. Meron pa rin. Meron pa rin. Wala na eh. Check. Check.
Yeah, I think it's raining. It's raining?
Opo, umuulan po kasi
Sige, sige.
pasar. Sensya na po.
Malakas
Malakas pa rin po ba yung ano?
Ayan, I think yung ulan yun. I think yung ulan.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Okay.
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. Sorry, wala pong boses.
Walang sound.
Wala pong music.
Walang music,
Ay,
Renz.
sorry po. Wait lang. Wala pa rin po.
Yan, meron na.
Meron na po. Meron na po.
Pakilakasan lang ng konti yung music.
Ah, okay. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know... Wala pa. Wala pa rin. Wala pong -1.
Ano man magkakala?
As in, wala pong tumutunog. Pasensya na po.
Play mo pa. Wait lang, pasensya na po. Sir Apollo, wala pa rin music.
May naririnig pero hindi siya ganun ka-clear. So yeah, if you can sing.
Renz, hindi pumapasok yung effects ng mic mo at saka yung music mo sa video mo.
Okay po. Sandali.
Pinsan siyang karunod at boy. Di ba dapat kami may labat?
Siguro Sir Apollo, mag-comment muna tayo dun sa first two songs.
Okay.
While waiting for Renz. Renz will give you time to fix.
Renz?
Hello?
Ren.
Hello po.
We'll
okay,
give you time to fix. Magko-comment lang kami sa first two singers, contestants.
Opo.
Okay?
Opo,
Mute ka
thank you
muna,
po.
mag-mute ka muna.
Opo.
Okay, so Jane, can you do the commentary to our two first set of contestants?
Okay. Mukhang umpisa pa lang, no? Pahihirapan na tayo ng ating mga contestants. And hindi ko na isa-isahin, no? In general ko na. Both of you, halata namang prepared, especially yung mga napiling kanta para sa inyo, na-prepare nyo siya ng maayos. And siguro ang abangan ko na lang yung final song ninyo. Kasi both of you naman palaban. And ang nagustuhan ko kay Larnie is na-deliver niya sa akin ng napakaganda yung kanta na inilaban niya ngayong araw na to. No? May kasama pang sayaw-sayaw. Nakakatuwa. Tapos terno pa ng damit. No? And si Daniel naman, ganun din. Prepared doon sa kanta. Siguro ang mako-comment ko lang kay Daniel, iwas tayo sa medyo masyadong mababang mga songs. No? May mga narinig akong flats kasi hindi naman ganun kababa yung boses mo eh. Actually, balladeer ka, pero pili ka ng kanta na huwag masyadong mababa kasi medyo sumasagad tayo kanina. Otherwise, both of you performed well and good luck na lang later on. Okay, thank you.
Ads, please.
Okay, kay Larnie, napaka-tawag dito, masyadong mahusay yung kanyang performance, no? Kasi bibihira yung bumabanat ng ganong song sa competition. Tama ba? Rolling in the River ba yun? Tama. Okay, so it's a Tina Turner song. So talagang energy-wise, vocal-wise, wala akong masabi. Pati yung looks, yung dating, lahat all-in-one kay Larnie. No? Talagang star na star yung dating niya kanina and very confident in singing that song. So, talagang she nailed it. Ayan. Doon naman kay Daniel, maganda rin. Well-prepared din si Daniel. Maganda yung pagkakakanta. Yun lang medyo, though narinig ko yung vocal control, talagang magaling, mahusay. And yung runs mo, maganda. Okay? So tama si G, meron lang sumasayad sa ilalim, no, sa baba. Pero nonetheless, maganda yung performance mo. Kayong dalawa, both of you. Ayun lang. Sir Apollo.
Okay, sa akin naman, I have nothing to say kasi lahat naman kayo napakaganda ng inyong mga performance. So, I have nothing to say. Congratulations to the both of you. Okay, so Renz, are you ready now? Renz,
Hello?
ready na ba?
Hello po?
Yes.
Meron na po ba? Try ko po yung music po. Kung
Oh,
meron
yeah,
na po.
pwede ka mag-acapella. It's okay.
Music ano? Wala pa rin pong music.
May konti akong naririnig. But you can sing.
From headset mo may naririnig na. From headset may naririnig na. No, mag-speaker ka na eh. Huwag ka lang mag-create.
Wait lang. Wala pa rin po.
Yeah, Renz, baka gusto mo mang kumanta without music or kung anong nakikinig dyan, sabayan mo na lang. Kasi we consume a lot of time for you
Sige.
to be care of others.
Opo. Hindi na lang po ako mag-V8. I-direct ako na lang po.
And by the way, salamat po sa mga supporters ng Search for Star of Pangasinan. Ayan, so talagang nakailang months ba tayo, sir? 3
Or-
months?
4 months,
Oh.
kasi nag-start ako ng, ayun, nag-conduct ng interview.
Okay, so medyo sobrang haba, no? Pero worth it naman kasi magagaling yung nakapasok sa ugat.
Wala.
Kita mo to eh.
Bes, interviewin mo muna yung ate.
Sino?
Si Sir Apollo.
Oo nga, sir. Anong feeling na
Parang
naka-check-in?
Hindi rin ako masaya pag dapat na sa
Just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just where to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to do. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly. And I know you're gonna tell me, and I'm gonna tell you, but I know I'm gonna get you to fly. And I know the roads to riches, and I know the ways to pay. I know the roads to better, and I'm gonna break it, but I know it's not the end of the day. But I don't know how to leave you, and I never let you go. But I don't know how to do it, making love, but I'm nothing at all. I'm nothing at all. When you say I miss the things you do, I just want to get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is new and love. How I miss you, and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow. All the emptiness inside me flow all around, and there's no way out. I've been thinking so much of you, there was never any doubt. I've been waiting forever. And you say you'll be there too. I've been waiting forever if you will. I know it's worth it all to spend my life alone with you. I was down, my dreams were breathing. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to dream from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled, and I reached out to you. I could say you belong to one look, then it all began for you and me. The moment when we touched, I know that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. I will go on the people in the world. I just can't believe in my mind. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. I'm lying alone with my head on the floor, thinking of you till it hurt. I know you hurt too, but what else can you do to make it turn apart? I wish I could carry this my heart in my heart for times when my life gets so long. It will make me believe what tomorrow could be when today doesn't really know. Doesn't really know. I'm so lost without you. I know I believe in the soul of love. What about without you? I can't be today. I know I'm so wrong. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right. Believe in the soul of love. What about without you? I can't be too late to say that I'm sorry. To say that I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you, Renz. So, Jane, can you comment on Renz, please?
Okay. Hi. Sana pala umpisa pa lang yan na yung ginamit mo para hindi ka nataranta dyan. Awang-awa na kami ni Hudson sa iyo. Naubos yung oras mo dyan sa kakaayos. Anyway, bagay naman sa'yo, good song choice. Otherwise, siguro sa next performance mo mamaya, i-lessen up natin yung echo. No? Medyo ang lakas nung echo, halos na hindi ko na naririnig yung natural voice, which is yun yung gusto kong madinig sa'yo. Then, hindi mo kailangan na magmaraming echo eh. Maganda ang boses mo. Alam natin yan. So, i-lessen up mo yon, and otherwise, good performance as well. Prepared ka naman the way you look. Kataon lang nagka-problema tayo sa umpisa pa lang kanina. And good luck. Back to you,
Thank you
Apollo.
po.
Okay, thank you, Renz. And now, let's go to another special number. So, he's a JME artist center stage. And may I call on Miggy? Ladies and gentlemen, Miggy.
Hello
Yes.
po.
Hello. How are you, Miggy?
Okay lang po.
Okay. Okay, Miggy, you can start your kanta na, ha?
Apa. Thank you po.
Okay, welcome.
May music na po.
Yes, Miggy.
Thank you po. Wise enough, not the foolish boy you used to know so long ago. I'm stronger now, learned from my mistakes which way to go, and I should know. I put myself aside to do it your way. But now I need to do it alone. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. You know, time for me to do it on my own. Yeah. Mm, yes. It's over now. I can't go back to living through your eyes. Too many lies. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else, not anymore. I never had a chance to do things my way.
Ano, wala.
Don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. You know, time for me to do it. Oh, I start again, go back to one. I'm running things in my way. Can't stop me now, I've just begun. Don't even think about it, there ain't no way about it. I'm taking names, the ones of mine. Yes, I'm gonna take my turn. It's time for me to finally stand alone. Stand alone. To try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. You know, time for me to do it. See, I'm not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what,
keep it real, you know. Time for me to do it on my own. Yeah. On my own. Thank you po.
Okay, very good. Ganda ng boses mo, Miggy. Okay? Very good.
Thank you po.
Okay, so our next special guest is also a GMA Artist Center Stage. So may I call on CJ, please? CJ. CJ.
Hello po.
Hi. Saan ka, anak? I cannot see you.
Let's start na. Nasa na ba yung music? Wala siyang camera. Nasa na yung music niya? Okay na po. Nakastop na. Kinakausap ako ba? Oo, kinakausap ko. Na-mute pa rin naman. Siya, walang camera. Walang camera. Biglang na-mute yung hello po.
Okay, so ready na, CJ?
Opo.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, CJ.
May music na po ba?
Walang music, CJ.
Music wala. Is running from the cold. From where you're nothing too much can reach me, not right now. Since you there, like a friend I've always known. Alright.
Bakit andyan si Madam? Madam, coach ka, Madam?
Naguguluhan yung bata. Mag next move muna tayo, mamaya na si CJ. Medyo naguguluhan siya doon sa mga connection natin.
Okay, so let's go back to the show. Okay, so we're going to move forward with the next number for the grand finalists. So they choose their own songs to perform. So I just would like to inform you that the score from the first one will be mixed together. So whoever garner a high score, then siya po ang mananalo sa atin. So mamaya po i-explain po ni Hads yun. Okay? So now our first grand finalist to sing her own choice of song, Miss Larnie Kayabyab.
You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. And you can find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Ooh, mountains, we gon' walk it out. Ooh, I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up high like the waves. I'll rise up in spite of the ache. I'll rise up and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. When the silence is so quiet and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Ooh, mountains, we go walk it out. Ooh, mountains, and I'll rise up. I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up. I'll rise in a flame. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. All we need is hope, and for that we have each other, and for that we have each other. Oh, we will rise, we will rise, we will rise. Oh, we will rise. I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up in spite of the air, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. I'll rise up high like the waves. I'll rise up in spite of the ache, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. We will rise again and again and again and again. Ooh.
Baho. Kasi
Larry, thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay. Okay, our next contestant from Binalonan, Pangasinan, Daniel Binluan Jr.
This is the moment, this is the day when I sent all my doubts and demands on their way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play, is here and now today. This is the moment, this is the time when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and to make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day. See it sparkle and shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. For all these years I've faced the world alone, and now the time has come to prove to them I've made it on my own. This is the moment, my final test. Destiny beckoned, I'll never I can second best. I won't look down, I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all. This is a moment, damn of the art. This day I'll never sit forever with my God. When I look back, I will always recall moment for moment. This was the moment, the greatest moment of them all, of them all.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Okay. Our next contestant from San Carlos City, Renz Robosa.
Nang makilala ka, buhay ko'y biglang nag-iba. Kay saya ng bawat sandali, kailan may hindi ipagpapali. Ikaw ang aking hiling, sa habang buhay ay makapiling. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaktan. Aking minibigin ay ikaw lamang. Dasal puso ay iyong alay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang naging pag-ibig, ang magkailanman ay kasama ka. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasa at ang hindi ay ikaw lang. Ikaw lang. Ikaw ang nanging pangarap. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ba'y iyang alay at ang pinamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay tulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang naisip pa. Kung magpapakailan mo ay kasama ka, ikaw ang pangarap. Ikaw ang pangarap. Ikaw ang
Okay. Thank you, Renz. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, next, CJ, are you ready now for your intermission number?
Walang talaga man dito.
Pasensya na po yung kanina. Kasi may na po yung connection eh.
Okay lang. Okay, you can start.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream with me, getting louder. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, to steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Diamonds of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough for me, for me, for me. For me. Thank you po.
Thank you, CJ. Thank you so much. Okay, so judges, can we start commenting to our 3 finalists for their last song? Okay, Jane, please, can you start?
Okay.
Nagtatakbuhan pa yata kayo dyan.
Nagpapalitan pa kami ng upuan.
Coach ka na. Coach ka na pala.
Okay. Grabe tong last part. Since kasi sila yung pumili nung kanta. So, alam mo na gamay nila yung napili nilang kanta. No, hindi kamukha nung ikaw yung nagbigay sa kanila ng piece. Talagang inaral muna nila. So, hindi ko na sila isa-isahin. Yung last part, last piece ninyo, nagustuhan ko lahat. So, good luck and congratulations to the 3 of you. Sino man ang manalo para sa akin, kayong 3 panalo na. Wala sa akin kung sino ang first, second, and third. Para sa akin, kayong 3 deserving kayong nandito ngayon sa Grand Finals. Thank you.
Okay, Hudson, please.
Okay, ayun, i-generalize ko na lang din since kayo pumili nung song ninyo and very competitive yung bawat song na pinakita ninyo. So, Larnie, si Danielle, and Renz, no? Talagang you deserve to be in the top 3 of this competition. And syempre, there'll be only one na magra-rise on top. But of course, dahil pasok na kayong 3, syempre, lahat kayo ay champion for us, no? So, ngayon pa lang, kino-congratulate ko na kayo dahil ang gagaling ninyo. So, continue singing, continue performing, and continue sharing your talent, no? Sa iba't ibang tao, sa lahat, no? Ng gustong makarinig pa sa inyo. Ayan. So, thank you, Sir Apollo. Should I explain now? How are we going to score them?
Sige, I think you can explain how we get the score, how do we combine, and how we compete.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, pinaghiwalay namin yung old song at saka yung score ng old song at saka ng chosen songs. Okay? So, each contestant, each finalist, okay, binigyan ng score for their old song and as well as doon sa chosen song. Okay? And then we will combine the 2 scores together and then yun, i-average namin. So that's how we will come up with the top 1 or the champion for this contest. Okay, sir? Sir Apollo?
Okay, thank you, Hudson, Mary Jane. Wala na akong masabi pa sa inyo. As Jane said na lahat kayo ay champion. Ako rin sa akin, champion na kayong 3. So, whatever happen, andito ako na susupport sa inyo. Okay? So, I will not stop supporting you kasi kayo yung 3 out of 200, 160, and then 12, and then 3. So, kayo talaga ang dumaan sa matitinding hamon na aking ibinigay. So, para sa akin, siguro hanggang tumanda ako, as long as I have something to support you and give you, susuporta ako sa inyong tatlo.
Thank you po, sir.
Matindi itong pinagdaanan ninyo. Okay. Napakasakit sa akin na siyempre may nagkakaproblema, sa mga connections and everything. As I've told you, hindi lang naman ako nag-adjust dito. Dalawa pa yung kasama ko. So, we respected whatever decisions we had. Okay? So, hindi ko pwedeng siya talaga ang sa akin. No. Kasi, nandiyan siya. So, hindi ko siya kayang ipanipirita. So, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. Kahit gaano tayo, kagaling. But, we have to be brave enough. Basta sabi ko sa inyo, kayong tatlo, part na ng buhay ko. Hanggang I'm 50 years old. Sana madagdagan pa ako na maraming buhay para nakasupport ako sa inyong tatlo. Okay? So, hindi ko kayo iiwan. Okay? So, whatever problem o ganon, just communicate with me. And soon, sana matapos na itong pandemic na ito para mamit ko kayong tatlo in person. Okay? Okay, so before we announce the winner of this contest, I would like to introduce to you one of the champion in Pangasinan. He is really has a good voice, very talented, at nasuportahan ko rin ito sa The Voice Philippines. So mga kaibigan, to all of you, I'm proud to tell you that our special guest is here to give us a song number. May I call on the grand champion of The Voice Philippines, Vanjos.
Hello po. So magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Vanjos Beaban ng The Voice Kids Philippines Season 4 Grand Champion. Yesterday, my new song was released. So I would like to sing it for you. Hope you like it. Salamat sa'yo, nagkatotoo. Ang hinihiling ng puso, Cupid sana, wala nang iba na mahihiling ka. Ang Pasko'y kumpleto na, wala nang ipakilala mo siya. Wala nang higit pa sa regalo mo. Ang ligaya pag siya'y kasama ko. Mga puso ay pinalagay at sa'yo pinagtiwanan. Nais kong pasalamatan ka. Cupid sana. Cupid sana. Salamat sa'yo. Katotoo. Ang hinihiling ng puso, Cupid sana. Wala nang iba na mahihiling pa. Ang Pasko'y kumpleto na. Hanap, kilala mo siya. Wala nang higit pa sa regalo mo. Anong ligaya pag siya'y kasama mo. Mga puso ay pinala at sa'yo'y nagtiwala. Nais kong pasalamatan ka, Cupid sana. Tunay na pag-ibig ay nakita ko, ay puso'y narinig. Okay sa'yo ang pasok ko. Wala na higit pa sa regalo mo. Anong ligaya pag siya'y kasama mo. Mga puso ay pinala at sa'yo'y nagtiwala. Nais kong pasalamatan ka. Nais kong pasalamatan ka. Cupid sana. Yun, so maraming salamat po sa...
Banjos, maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Opo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat. Lalong-lalo na po kay Sir Apollo. Yun po, maraming salamat po sa pag-invite niyo po sa akin po dito. Tsaka po sa lahat po ng mga fans ko po dyan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. So, nais ko lang pong i-promote ang aking kanta na Cupid Santa. I-release po siya kahapon po. Pwede nyo na po siyang mapakinggan sa Spotify, sa iTunes po, at saka po sa YouTube po. Pwede nyo po siyang i-download at pakinggan po. Thank you po sa inyo lahat po.
Thank you, Banjos. Okay, we will support you with that, Banjos. Don't worry. Hope to see you in person too. Okay? O sige. Okay. Salamat, Banjos. Thank you. Okay. Here we are now. Ito na. Ito na yung, I don't know how. Okay? So, maglagay muna ako ng aking yan ang aking favorite song.
O diba, kanina lang gusto mo lumuha.
Okay, so hindi ko na patatagalin kasi right after this, go straight ako sa bank. Okay, so again, to all of you, sa lahat ng viewers, lahat ng aking naging guests, maraming salamat for gracing my shows. And, sana patuloy nyo at supportahin pa rin yung aking mga shows na darating. Okay? So I have another shows again which is Mr. Pangasinan Online. And that will be online 2021 and that will be start by second week of January. Okay? So sana patuloy pa rin yung supportahan na aking mga shows na gagawin. Okay, so sa inyong tatlo, again, lahat kayo winners na sa akin. Okay? So wala na, medyo nagiging emotional lang ako kasi pamahal ako sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa inyong tatlo na kahit hindi ko kayo nakikita, yung puso ko, yung pakiramdam ko ay malapit sa inyong tatlo. Okay? Hinihintay ko na lang na matapos ang pandemic na ito at makita ko kayong tatlo. Okay? Yan na lang ang hinihintay ko. Okay, ang ating third prize winner. He will be receiving a 10,000 pesos cash. Okay? By the way, yung trophy ninyo, saka ako na ibibigay pag ako ang kaharap ninyo. You have trophies, pero saka ako at mga ibang gift pa pag na-meet ko na lang kayo. Okay? The important thing is the price. Okay? So, ang tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos, third place is Daniel Binwan. Daniel.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Congratulations. Okay. Okay, syempre, pag tinawag ko na ang second place, automatic, grand champion na yung hindi natawag. Okay? So, ang ating second place winner who will receive 20,000 pesos. Okay? 20,000 pesos is no other than Renz Robosa. So, ang ating grand champion is Larnie. Larnie, ikaw ang the star of Pangasinan Online 2020. So, ikaw ang kauna-unahang nanalo ng Star of Pangasinan 2020. So, kayong, again, congratulations. You will be receiving 30,000 pesos. Okay? So, sa inyong tatlo, thank you so much for sharing your talents. Okay? Yung sakripisyo ninyo for 4 months. Okay? Na hindi kayo huminto. Maraming salamat sa inyong tatlo. Okay? Huwag kayong hihiwalay sa akin. At, you know, I want to meet you in person. We keep in touch every month, every day, whatever, any problems, you have to keep in touch with me. Okay? Sana huwag basama ang inyong loob at kayong tatlo ang aking the Star of Pangasinan Online 2020 winners. Okay? So congratulations sa inyong lahat. Okay? Renz, thank you.
Thank you po.
Daniel, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Larnie, thank you so much. Thank you. Salamat. So, Larnie, pwede bang kumanta ka uli before we end?
Okay po. Sige po.
Congrats, Larnie!
Ay, thank you po. Tuntua sila, oh. Sina mama.
Congrats everyone. Larnie, congrats.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations!
Thank you, Sir Hads. Ma'am Jane, thank you po.
Thank you po, Sir Hads.
Sa inyong tatlo.
Congrats, Renz and Daniel.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you so much po. Thank you po.
Congrats, Apollo! Success ang
Congrats po,
inyong
Sir
event.
Apollo.
Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Congrats, sir.
Para po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much po. Merry Christmas po.
People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends appear, and you wish you could give more than just presents from a store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has everything would be so happy if you would bring. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is than love.
May pa-confetti pa po dito.
People you don't know, smile and say hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. It's that once a year when the world sincere, and you like to find a way to show the things that words can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, the man on the street and a couple of stairs all need to know that someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater in Santa's knee. There's room for your love underneath his tree. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. But the world needs his love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why can't you get love on Christmas Day? Baka makain ko yung confet. For the little child in Santa's feet. There's room for your love underneath
Oh, everybody
his
sing
tree.
now. Give love on Christmas Day.
No
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much po.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
everyone.
Congrats po, Sir Apollo. Sa inyo lahat. Okay, see you
Thank you so
soon
much po.
sa part 2 ng The Star of Pangasinan Online 2020. Okay? So, Renz, Daniel, Larnie, kasama ko pa kayo. May show pa ako, okay? So, magkakasama tayo doon. Okay? So, huwag kayo hiwalay sa akin. Okay, to all the viewers, friends, lahat nagtiyaga, to my judges, Jane and Hudson, maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you all. I love you all. Maraming salamat. Okay, so ngayon, hintayin nyo, lalabas na ako, tatakbo na ako sa bag.
Okay.
Bye!
Advance Merry
Bye!
Christmas to all.
Bye! Thank you po!
Bye. Congrats. Bye.